Want to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 10 without using any physical keyboard? Let me show you how. First, head over to Settings. You can do that by clicking the Start menu and choosing the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and click on Ease of Access. Now from the left panel, scroll down a bit and select Keyboard. At the top, you will see an option that says use your device without a physical keyboard. Just flip that switch on. And there you go. The on-screen keyboard will pop up right on your screen. You can easily move it around. Just click and hold the top part of the keyboard, drag it wherever it feels comfortable, and you can also make it bigger and smaller by just dragging from the side. And now you're all set. Type anywhere using your screen keyboard, no physical keyboard needed. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.